How to log in a Tesco Bank Credit Card online account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Tesco Bank account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in Tesco Bank Login. As you do so, you will see the official website of Tesco Bank Online Banking Login. Click onto that link. Then you will land onto this login portal. In here, simply type in your username. Once you have entered your username, in case you would like to remember this username for this site, then check the box that says Remember Username. Then click on to login. At the next page, you will be required to enter your password, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. In case you are having any problem logging in, click on I have forgotten my username or your password and get help resetting your account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.